Our top focus this morning is on what's happening in the state of Bengal because there's a massive showdown playing out after an attack on BJP President JP Nadda's convoy yesterday. The Ministry of Home Affairs has sought a report from Governor Jagdeep Dhankar on the attacks on Nadda and State BJP in charge Kailash Vijayvargiya. Bengal's DGP and Chief Secretary also have been asked to submit a report on Thursday's incident to the centre. Sharpening its attack on the Mamata government, BJP leader said that the attack reflects the state of lawlessness in Bengal. Also hitting back on these accusations, Mamata said that all of this was nothing but a publicity stunt by the BJP to hog the limelight. Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar slammed the alleged non-responsive stance of the state government and the police. The governor will be addressing the media today at 12 p.m. over this incident. Furious over the attack against their leader, BJP workers in several parts of India took to the streets to protest.
कैसा रहा आपका अनुभव? गाड़ी पर तोड़फोड़ भी हुई और काफी सारी बातें आपने खुद भी देखी।
देखिए, बंगाल का जिस तरीके से ममता जी के नेतृत्व में यहाँ सरकार चल रही है पिछले 10 सालों से, वह इस बात को स्पष्ट बताता है कि यह कटमनी कल्चर है, भ्रष्टाचार है, ऊपर से नीचे तक आकंठ भ्रष्टाचार में डूबे हुए हैं, लॉलेसनेस है और लॉलेसनेस के साथ साथ पॉलिटिकल पेट्रोनेज के साथ वायलेंस है और विकास के खिलाफ परिस्थितियों को पैदा करना यहाँ ममता जी की आदत है। इसलिए हम जानते थे और इसको एक्सपोज करना ये हमारी जिम्मेवारी है, इसको जनता के सामने उजागर करना ये हमारी जिम्मेवारी है, उसको हम बखूबी करेंगे और जनता बीजेपी के साथ है।
मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी कह रही हैं जनता टीएमसी के साथ है, लेकिन आप हैं कि केंद्र की फोर्सेस को लेकर, बाकी सबको लेकर यहाँ पर अपना रुतबा रुबाब दिखाकर नौटंकी कर रहे हैं।
देखिए, ये शब्दावली जो ममता जी की है, ये उनके संस्कारों के बारे में बताता है। दिस स्पीक्स वॉल्यूम्स अबाउट हर पर्सनैलिटी, about her culture, about the traditions in which she is brought up.
आरोप ये लग रहे हैं कि आप हिंदू और मुसलमान करके बंगाल में ध्रुवीकरण करके, बंगाल में राजनीति करके अपना सत्ता में आना चाहते हैं।
हमारा नारा विकासवाद का है। आयुष्मान भारत हो, चाहे प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि हो, चाहे उज्ज्वला योजना हो, चाहे उजाला योजना हो, चाहे जनधन योजना हो, यह किसी को भी धर्म के आधार पर बांटता नहीं है। ये सभी के लिए बराबर है और मोदी जी के द्वारा सबको मुख्य धारा में शामिल करने का काम किया है। सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, इसी मंत्र को लेकर हम चल रहे
हैं। যাতে নটঙ্কি করে ন্যাশনাল নিউজে ভালো করে দেখায় যে দেখো আমায় মেরেছে আরে তোমার পেছনে 50টা গাড়ি কেন যায়।
Indrajit Kundu is joining us live this morning with all the latest political updates from Bengal. Indrajit, good morning. We're expecting the governor to address a press conference today. He's already questioned the government, saying that they've been non-responsive with regards to this attack on JP Nadda as well as the rest of the BJP leaders. Has the government really responded to the attack itself besides Mamata Banerjee's statement there?
Well, actually, there are two sides to this entire incident. One is political, and the political rhetoric that we are seeing playing out, and of course the other is the administration. Now, Mamata Banerjee spoke at a political rally yesterday, hitting back at the BJP, saying that this is nothing but a well-orchestrated drama, because the BJP itself was not confident that there will be enough people at JP Nadda's rally in Diamond Harbour yesterday. The same refrain was heard from Abhishek Banerjee, in whose constituency, Diamond Harbour, this entire incident took place. Abhishek Banerjee also said that, this was a drama. So the Trinamool maintains its own stand as far as the administration is concerned. The West Bengal police has given an official statement saying that there was nothing much that happened and there was no injury on the BJP president JP Nadda. He went unscathed and he reached the event and also attended the event. However, there was some stone pelting on some of the trailing vehicles in his convoy, which is being probed. This is the official statement as far as the police is concerned. Police is probing the matter. The BJP, of course, says that they want a CBI investigation into the entire thing. In this entire backdrop, Governor Jagdeep Dhankar, of course, had summoned the Chief Secretary as well as the DGP of West Bengal. They met him yesterday, but the governor says that he wasn't really convinced with the kind of response that he has received about their reports on law and order.
Okay.
At the same time, we are being given to understand that Home Minister has sought a report from the state government. So it will be interesting to see as to how the governor sends his own report to the central government.
All right, Indrajit, we'll be tracking the latest updates. As I mentioned, the governor will be holding a press conference later today as well. Indrajit, thank you for those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.